Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, President of Elite Worldwide, and thanks so much for joining us. I am thrilled to tell you today I'm with a very dear friend of mine, a fellow that has an amazing reputation in the industry. For those of you that aren't familiar with Jim, I can tell you this. His name is Jim Butitta, and he owned and operated some very super successful auto repair businesses in Northern Illinois. Today he works with us as a business development coach. He does an outstanding job for us. And just the other day I heard him sharing some thoughts with some other people, and one of the tips that he had to do with what they do, what shop owners really need to consider doing with their employees, Jim. And I liked what I heard, and if you'd be so kind to share it with our listeners and me again, I'd love to hear it.
Thanks, Bob. Thanks for letting me have the opportunity to share this tip. So we talk a lot about culture building and building a culture in a shop that attracts and attains the best technicians, managers, service writers possible. And part of that process is taking an interest in what their dreams and aspirations are. And when you know what your employees' dreams and aspirations are, and you can be any part of helping them achieve their dreams, your dreams are going to get fulfilled as a shop owner. So, you know, some of those dreams could be as easy as somebody wanting to finish a high school education and getting a GED or diploma, or extra training, or maybe they want to buy their first house. But whatever you can do to help them to understand their goals and help them achieve it, you're going to be a winner.
Boy, what a great tip, Jim, as always. Well, thanks so much, Jim. Thanks for the wonderful tip, and thank all of you for watching this. Take what you just learned from Jim, apply it. I'm confident you'll be thrilled with the results.